A new vehicle has just arrived, and the entire world is eager to get their hands on one. This vehicle is positioned as an alternative for buyers who seek powerful options like the Tesla Cybertruck, Ford F-150 Lightning pickup truck, Rivian R1T, Hummer EV, Toyota Hilux, and Ford Ranger. When a vehicle offers commendable performance, a well-equipped interior with the latest technology, rapid acceleration, and features not found in other vehicles, what do you think will happen? Massive demand. Some might even label such a vehicle as a potential threat, perhaps even to national security, due to its exceptional qualities, or the fierce competition it could generate upon its release. European consumers are eagerly awaiting this vehicle's arrival in their markets. In the United States, fans of this vehicle are just as excited, hoping it will soon be allowed into the country so they can experience the latest advancement in the automotive industry. Many buyers of passenger vehicles and pickup trucks have expressed frustration over the high price tags of new models, often costing tens of thousands of dollars. These complaints are particularly loud because buyers in other countries are able to purchase similar new vehicles, SUVs, and pickup trucks at much more affordable prices, while U.S. consumers often have to pay nearly double for comparable models. Now, one vehicle that could change the game for buyers has arrived in North America, and it's already on sale. Many potential buyers have traveled from various countries to Mexico, where this new vehicle is available. The vehicle in question is the BYD Shark pickup truck, produced by BYD, one of China's largest automakers. BYD identified the growing demand for well-equipped, powerful, yet affordable pickup trucks, a demand that other manufacturers seem to have overlooked. Given the United States' strong interest in pickup trucks, many feel that the BYD Shark should have launched there first, or at least alongside other countries in North America, as the demand is especially high. Some sources claim that the reason Chinese cars, including the BYD Shark, haven't made it to the US is due to Chinese automakers lacking a dealer network to facilitate distribution. However, this is not the primary reason. The U.S. government has imposed a 100% border tax on electric cars and vehicles imported from China, making it incredibly difficult for Chinese vehicles to enter the U.S. market. As a result, these tariffs have left the public with fewer options when purchasing new vehicles. With the BYD Shark now launched in Mexico, there is hope that it may soon be allowed into the U.S., especially if it's manufactured in North America. BYD is currently building a factory in Mexico, becoming one of the first Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers to establish a plant there. The goal is to produce 150,000 cars annually and create 10,000 jobs once the plant is completed. However, reports indicate that the construction of the BYD plant in Mexico has been delayed until after the U.S. presidential election. During this time, BYD America's CEO, Stella Lai, clarified the company's position to the media, stating that BYD currently has no plans to sell vehicles in the U.S., even from a potential manufacturing plant in Mexico. She cited the complex political landscape and the protective nature of the U.S. market as reasons for this decision. The BYD Shark has arrived, and many are eager to see what this new pickup truck has to offer. What are its features? How does it compare to its rivals? And why is there such strong interest in it? Let's explore these questions in detail. The BYD Shark pickup truck starts at a competitive price of $53,948 for the base trim in Mexico, placing it below the $79,000 Tesla Cybertruck and the $57,000 Ford F-150 Lightning. Although the Shark may not be as powerful as the top trims of its rivals, it offers a more affordable entry point into the pickup truck market. The truck's design is the work of renowned designers Wolfgang Egger and Michele Joch Paganetti, both with a wealth of experience in the automotive industry. The exterior design draws inspiration from the shape of a shark, with the front fascia mimicking a shark's mouth and the rear style to resemble a shark's tail fin. The result is a rugged, attractive truck with a thick light bar running across the front, LED headlights integrated into the daytime running lights, and a bold BYD logo featured in a grille that looks like an ancient puddle-stone artifact. For off-road durability, the BYD Shark is equipped with a high-strength steel frame that protects the plug-in hybrid battery, using CTC, cell-to-chassis technology. The truck's underside has a multi-layered defense system designed to withstand scratches or collisions from rough terrain. The truck comes with wheel sizes ranging from 17 to 20 inches, adding versatility for off-road driving. In terms of size, the BYD Shark has a wheelbase of 3,260 millimeters, a length of 5,457 millimeters, a height of 1,925 millimeters, and a width of 1,971 millimeters. These dimensions place it in the mid-size pickup truck segment, but the spacious cabin provides additional comfort for passengers. The wheel arches are surrounded by black plastic cladding, which matches the running boards and window visors. The truck also features roof bars and sidebars, allowing users to secure heavy loads for transportation. Although the Shark lacks a sunroof, the rear windshield is tinted black. The rear lighting echoes the front design, with taillights that extend from the sides to near the top of the tailgate, giving it a sleek, futuristic appearance. Loading and unloading the truck bed is made easier with a step that can be pulled out from the edge of the tailgate. The bed also has two corner lights, providing better visibility at any time of day. On the right side of the truck bed, you'll find vehicle to load (V2L) outlets, which allow the truck to power electronic appliances, a useful feature for a hybrid vehicle that operates much like a battery electric vehicle. The Shark's truck bed offers a similar wheelbase to the Ford F-150 crew cab with a 5.5-foot bed. It has a payload capacity of 835 kilograms, 1,840 pounds, and a bed storage volume of 1,450 liters, 51 cubic feet. The BYD Shark has a towing capacity of 2,500 kilograms, 5,510 pounds, which is about half the capacity of the Tesla Cybertruck. However, stepping inside the BYD Shark reveals a well-appointed cabin with rich, soft materials and a thoughtful design that enhances the overall driving experience. Despite its rugged exterior, the interior space is larger than expected, comparable to that of the Rivian R1T. The dashboard features a large steering wheel equipped with buttons for voice commands, phone calls, and other essential controls. Behind the steering wheel, there is a 10.25-inch LCD screen that displays critical driving information such as speed, driving range, battery level, and off-road modes, including sand, mud, and snow. Additionally, for a more immersive driving experience, a 12-inch head-up display projects speed and navigation information onto the windshield. At the center of the dashboard, you'll find a 12.8-inch infotainment touchscreen that can rotate between portrait and landscape modes. This screen offers a range of features, including a 540-degree camera system for parking assistance, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and real-time navigation. There are air vents positioned on each side of the dashboard, as well as two near the center console, although their unique placement raises some questions. However, the air conditioning system is expected to perform well. Moving further down, there are two wireless phone charging pads and a reverse/park mode selector that resembles a throttle lever in a plane. The combination of touchscreen controls and physical buttons will appeal to many buyers who prefer tactile interaction. Double cup holders and a storage compartment with USB ports add to the truck's convenience. Entering and exiting the BYD Shark is made easier with grab handles, designed to ensure a smooth and comfortable process. The front seats are adjustable for both the driver and front passenger, while the rear seats, which recline at a 27-degree angle, provide a balance of comfort and technology. The rear seat offers seating for 3 passengers, with ample head and legroom for individuals as tall as 6'3". Rear seat passengers also have access to dual air vents bordered by an eye-catching orange trim, as well as USB-C ports for charging devices and a 110-volt outlet for powering laptops. Unlike some newer pickups, there's no touchscreen or flashy tech for the rear passengers, keeping the setup traditional. The BYD Shark is offered as a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV, bridging the gap between electric and internal combustion engine vehicles. It comes with a 29.58 kilowatt-hours battery pack that provides 62 miles of electric-only range. When combined with the petrol engine, the full range extends to 522 miles. Using a DC fast charger, the battery can be charged from 30% to 80% in just 20 minutes. The Shark is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine and 2 electric motors, one on the front axle and one on the rear, providing all-wheel drive with a total of 429 horsepower. The truck accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds, BYD claims the Shark achieves fuel consumption of 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers, resulting in a 40% fuel savings compared to similar internal combustion engine trucks. The BYD Shark is set to be sold in countries beyond Mexico, so availability in your region is likely just a matter of time. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates on our YouTube channel. What do you think the BYD Shark might be missing? Let us know what you like about this pickup truck in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel with the bell notification turned on for more videos. Thanks for watching.